Get ready for an epic showdown. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is going up against the BMW M3 CS. One's a track beast, the other's a sporty sedan. Which one's faster? Let's start with the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It's powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, sending power to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast PDK gearbox. It's lightweight, aggressive, and built purely for performance.
Pull both pedals, it'll let me rev it up.
Now the BMW M3 sees under the hood. It has a twin-turbo inline-six, producing massive power, combined with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. It's heavier than the Porsche, but traction is its biggest advantage.
BMW, it's not going to sound as good.
Drag race standing start. First up, a standing quarter-mile drag race.
3, 2, 1.
Got him off the line. Oh, it's close though, he's coming back. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's coming fast! Oh no! Oh.
As the lights go out, the BMW launches hard thanks to all-wheel drive, gaining an early advantage. The Porsche fights back with razor-sharp gear changes and high-revving power, but traction plays a huge role here. This race shows just how effective all-wheel drive can be in a straight-line launch. Next, a rolling race.
DRS, get the DRS in! Oh, come on, DRS! Oh, look at that thing go! Can I reel him in? DRS active! Slowly gaining! I'm gaining on him! Come on, make it work! Yes! Had me.
This time, traction matters less, and raw performance takes over. The Porsche starts to shine, pulling hard as the speed increases. Its lighter weight and higher-revving engine make a clear difference. Here, the GT3 RS proves why it's a true track weapon. Brake test. Finally, a brake test from high speed.
Under coast, so when I lift off, it's a maximum locking when I'm coasting, so it should help when I'm braking. I might just make the suspension a bit softer in the front as well. Okay, here comes the line. He's gone backward!
Both cars are equipped with serious performance brakes, but the Porsche stops quicker and more confidently. Once again, weight and track-focused engineering give it the edge. So what's the final result? The BMW M3 CS dominates off the line with its all-wheel drive launch. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS dominates in rolling races and stops like a champ.